You want to see what's in my ButcherBox? It seems like the last several orders, I've just put them away and I haven't shared with anybody, but I love getting mine. And the nice thing is it's all customizable. So I order depending on really what's coming up in the next month or so. You know, grilling things in the summer, roasts in the winter, things for the holidays, whatever, if I'm having company. So well packaged. I live in Houston, Texas. Been a customer for more than 8 years, and everything's been fine, even in the middle of the summer. So, you know, it's just been super stress-free to get all this beautiful grass-fed beef and all the wild-caught things. So I did go ahead and get the wild-caught shrimp. Such an easy grilling item, or for salads. These are chicken thighs, which I love chicken thighs. They're the most flavorful in my mind, and I use them in my curries, and they're great on the grill. So got my ButcherBox bacon. I mean, what's the world without bacon? And I got an extra one too. Watch for the specials. If you're not a member, you may not know about that. Got some ground bison, going for the protein, and some grass-fed beef steak tips. These make a great steak tips and rice kind of dish, but this time of year I use them to make skewers, and on the grill they go with some vegetables, so that's always great. I've got my ground beef, always stock up on those meal prep basics. Chicken wings, love those buffalo wings. And because of the month I have ahead of me and so much going on, I went ahead and got 2 packages of their pre-cooked sous vide chicken breast. This is such a great source of protein, and I can quickly and easily put together a meal. I love it on top of a salad of almost any kind, and all the produce is so nice now in the summer. It just makes it easy, but it's also delicious. Heat it up, put it over rice, put it over vegetables. Love making a dinner bowl. Can make a big sandwich out of it. So love these, and they're really something that I don't always buy, but like I said, I just go ahead and configure my box depending on what's going on. So all of this, except for whatever I'm going to use today, is going in the freezer, and I'm looking forward to cooking it all. So be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see how I cook all of this.